You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but
Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you some of my braided afro wigs. On my previous video I shared with you some of my braided wigs that don't have lace, they don't have frontal. So actually this is one of the wigs that I reviewed on my previous video.
I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer, pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale.
So also for today's video they don't have frontal, they don't have closure, they don't have baby hair. Yeah, so guys, if you're interested in any of these wigs, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below or in the description box, so you can contact me and I will make it for you. Okay, so guys, let me just show you all the wigs. There are like 4 or 5 of them, and then comment below your favorite color or your favorite style. This is going to be my first wig. I really love the color. And then all these wigs that I'm going to show you today, I've not sewn bands or combs on them. I'll sew them later, okay, so that like they're not complete.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer, pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. No, we run and go still every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes.
blurry lips, sweet as poison. Fell ill from your kiss. I got drunk off your demons. One sipping, I'm lovesick. Built a home, turned to ruins. Followed you into the night. Couldn't let you leave, watch you leave.
So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please comment below your favorite color and style, and also if you're interested in any of the wigs that I've shown you, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.
You played with my head. Guilt free in my bed. So used to